Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off a GoPro Hero 8 action camera. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So as I said before, this will be a full tutorial because I'll show you from start to finish how to do it, but also an easy tutorial because it is really easy. A lot of people know how to turn the camera on. They just press and hold down this power button on the side right here. It'll beep a few times and you've turned the camera on, but then they don't know how to turn it off. And in reality, it's actually really simple. All that you have to do is get that same button and you have to press and hold it down, okay? Just like this. And I'll show you what might happen wrongly in just a moment. So as you can see, it says powering off now that I did that. Now on occasion, I'll show you what some people sort of do wrongly and then it causes the camera to not turn off, which can be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to turn it back on. Just give me a moment here. There we go. So if you push that same power button, but if you don't hold it down, it's going to switch between modes. So if I push that button quickly, it actually toggles between the modes, as you can see right there, okay? So if I'm trying to turn the camera off and I press this button down, but I don't fully push it down, so I think I'm holding it, but in reality, the camera thinks that I just pushed it and released it, something like this. Right? So like I think, I think I'm still holding it, let's say, but I'm not actually holding it. If you do something like that, obviously it's going to cause the camera to switch modes and not turn off. And that's where the problem lies. It's not a problem, but some people think they're holding it down, but in reality, they've let go like that. So they think they're still holding it down, but they've let go. So my recommendation is when you are ready to turn off the camera or turn it on, press and hold this with a firm amount of pressure assertively. So it's like, I'm ready to turn this off. I'm going to press and hold this down assertively. I am ready to turn the camera off. And that's why it's powering off. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.